You go till there.
I'm disturbing if I stand. Huh?
This is one more paddy field weed. It is quite widespread. I've seen it in above the Ghat section also. And leaves are kind of oily when you touch. Then I think it's hairy also. Yes, hairy leaves. And then grows about 1 foot tall. It comes after the end of the monsoon, and then very pretty flowers are there. Apart from that, it has a that lightly sticky, oily touch and some nice fragrance, aromatic. Oh, it must be having essential oils and all. And I know it's a herb, but that name I couldn't get. So this is one. It survives quite late after the monsoon, almost up to the edge of summer. Then this is a paddy field. It's growing.